Hi everyone, how's everybody doing? I'm here in this beautiful spot again. Just wish everybody is having a beautiful day and is having a healing time. It's a bit noisy, but I'm here having a healing day. One more healing day, one more healing moment in this beautiful green beach where I'm reconnected with my soul, my heart, my body, with my mind, with my everything. Uh, Thought of the day is just like sometimes we think like we love one person and this person is everything and we will connect with this person for the rest of our life and this relationship is gonna work and we have a very strong sexual connection with this person and it's amazing and it feels amazing and it's just everything else in our life becomes very complicated. And if everybody around you, your friends, your family, your work, your finance, your health, your everything starts to crumble and decay and become very complicated, perhaps those are signs that this relationship is not the best thing for you. So maybe think about it. Maybe you're just facing the shadow and maybe it's just time to stay with your own self and look for what is it that in yourself that you are like trying to hide from yourself still. Okay? Love you all. Take care. Namaste.